he got my son, he's going to kill him. He's going to take him as a hostage. And he told her, this guy is going to be hung tomorrow. He's going to be hung tomorrow. Sayyidina Zayd and Khubayb both were to be hung in public. And the woman who was holding him captive, she said, I swore to God that give me this man so that I kill him and I drink wine in his skull. This is the woman. Look at the animosity. That woman's child is in his hand. He could easily hold him hostage, say, let me go, or the child goes. He says, woman, don't worry. Our Prophet taught us never to hurt children and women. I'm not going to hurt your child. Our Prophet taught us not to hurt children. This is who we are, my brothers and sisters. Tell these people that. This is our legacy. This is our deen. So if